Welcome to our website, Nagrik Aur Samvidhan, your ultimate destination for learning the Constitution of India in an engaging and user-friendly way. We offer interactive games that make understanding complex topics fun, along with many other features that make the platform even more engaging. We aim to simplify fundamental concepts of the Constitution, such as the preamble, directive principles of state policy, fundamental duties, and fundamental rights, making it easier for users to understand. To enhance learning, we've created our own detailed tutorial videos that break down each topic step by step with multilingual explanations.
संपूर्ण प्रभुत्व संपन्न समाजवादी पंथ निरपेक्ष लोकतंत्रात्मक गणराज्य बनाने के लिए तथा उसके समस्त नागरिकों को सामाजिक, आर्थिक और राजनीतिक न्याय, विचार, अभिव्यक्ति, विश्वास, धर्म और उपासना की स्वतंत्रता, प्रतिष्ठा और अवसर की समता।
We, the people of India, the title of Emperor-Empress of India. Strict separation of religion and state, Indian secularism. These videos are designed to break down complex topics into easy-to-follow segments, ensuring that users can grasp even the most intricate details with ease.
Men and women, and the tender age of children. Opportunities for healthy development of children. Right to work, living wage and fair standards of living.
Fundamental duties. The fundamental duties of Indian citizens are enshrined in Part IVA of the Constitution of India under Article 51A. Right to equality. Articles 14 to 18. Article 14, Equality before law and equal protection of the laws. This article ensures that all... We also highlight the stages of the Constitution's formation, from its drafting to final adoption, emphasizing key debates and contributions. This helps users understand the core principles of justice, equality, and liberty that shape our democracy. We've designed 3 interactive games, Spin the Wheel, Memory Cards, and Guess the Word, to make learning the Constitution both fun and engaging. Spin the Wheel offers users a chance to test their knowledge with random constitutional concepts, while Memory Cards helps improve retention by pairing key concepts and terms. Guess the Word challenges users to recall important terminology and ideas, making the learning process more interactive and enjoyable. These games ensure that users not only understand the content but also remember it with ease. We also offer a comprehensive learning roadmap to guide users through the key topics of the Constitution, making the learning journey smoother and more structured. This roadmap is designed to help users align their studies with their curriculum, ensuring they cover essential concepts in a logical and organized way. It acts as a step-by-step guide, enabling users to track their progress while mastering each topic with ease. We also provide 24/7 chatbot support, offering continuous assistance to users. Our chatbot helps by summarizing key topics, providing quick explanations, and making the learning process smoother and more accessible, no matter the time or day. In our About Us section, we outline our mission to make constitutional education accessible and engaging for all. Our vision is to create a well-informed society where citizens understand their rights and responsibilities. We also provide a feedback form for users to share their experiences, which we store securely at the back end to help improve our platform continuously. We also showcase the back end of our platform, where all data, including data of all the articles and feedback form responses, is securely stored and managed. This gives users a clear understanding of how their input is processed and handled. By highlighting this back-end functionality, we emphasize the transparency and efficiency of our system, demonstrating how user feedback directly contributes to enhancing the platform.